Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel from Ngahtech. So today we are going to be looking at the switch statement. So what is the switch statement in C++? So a switch statement is a control flow structure used to execute different blocks of code based on the value of a variable or expression. So it is more cleaner compared to the if-else or multiple if-else statement. Now, let us look at what I have put down here. It's because of the time. I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I've already written it down. Where we have our value that has been declared as an integer and assigned to this day variable day, and then day we have to say switch day. Okay, so when it comes to the syntax of every switch statement is like this. We have the switch, okay, then we have the expression, which is expression here, and then we have the body. Inside the body now we have the case, which must be constant. Okay, must be constant, and then semicolon. Then we have now our block. Okay, we have our block of code, and then you move to the next one. Then you have the break that indicates that this block of code is end. Okay, now move to the next case. Then you have case, so you can put case one. Okay, you can have case one, you can have case two, and so forth, as I have written here. So that is basically how the syntax of a switch statement is. So let us quickly save this now. And here we have the first thing that what the day. Okay, case one, day is, if day is one, it's going to display Monday. Okay, if day here, which now the day is equals to one, it's going to display Monday. If day is equals to two, it's going to display Tuesday, three, Wednesday, and so forth and so on. Okay, now if we run now, we should have Sunday. Are we there? So let us go and clear the screen first. So we first of all compile it, and next we run. Okay, it's displaying Sunday. Okay, so if we change this day to be, say for example, 3, for example, let's change it to 3, and then we go back to our code. Then we compile and then we run. You see, it's going to show Wednesday. So now what happens if there is no day? If you change, let's put, for example, we have 8 or 9, for example. Okay, let us go there and then we compile it and then we run. You see that nothing is happening, no value is displayed. That is where the default value now comes in play. That is where the default or the default keyword comes in play. So how do you place this default keyword? You can place it at the end. So after this, you say, okay, default, okay, then you put this colon, then you now see out. See out, which means that if the values that you have given, if it is not there after it has switched, the value is not correct. Okay, so we save and then we go back and execute or compile and then execute. You said the value is not correct because what we have here is 9, which is not found in any of those cases. Are we there? That is how you can actually use the switch case statement in C++. Please, if you have any questions or further doubt, please kindly just comment below and I'm going to get back to you as fast as possible. Thank you very much for watching and see you on our next video.